Is the weather update for now. It's windy and cloudy. There's a chance to rain again. Okay, it's lunchtime, past 12, Friday. Okay, so it's the weather now. It's windy, cloudy, possible rain. Okay, so as you can see, Canada, Saskatchewan weather at south. So this is only updated weather forecast. Okay, tips for you go to travel. Okay, safe, relax. Wind 35 gusting wind. You heard that? Okay. So that's all. So latest updated because I have no internet in the house, so I cannot upload some. And I'm busy to moving a house, so there's a chance to not uploaded these sounds. Okay, guys. So I have no 2 days no uploaded because of I'm busy to move my stuffs, okay, to the other house from old house. So don't worry about that. I will continue blogging in my YouTube channel. Okay? So subscribe and click the button for the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Okay, see you guys.